Hello, my name is Dr. Noelle Lucas from Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and I am here to take some questions that you might have about your cat's behavior and if it is normal or abnormal. And I have an assistant here that's going to help me answer some of those questions for you.
Dr. Lucas, what's the most important thing to know about cat behavior?
So first of all, cat behavior, a lot of it is normal for them to have. Some of the things that we deem abnormal may be excessive vocalization, maybe urinating outside of the litter box, maybe climbing on furniture, maybe killing small creatures and bringing them back to us. A lot of those behaviors are because that's normal for a cat, but those cats are now living in our homes, and so we then start to have issues that might be related to their behaviors that are normal, but because they're a nuisance behavior, we want to solve them.
Is it possible to fix behavior issues in a cat?
So yeah, we can actually fix behavioral problems or issues with a cat. A lot of those behaviors that are abnormal, just we need to figure out, okay, is it a medical problem? Can we solve that? Or is it a behavioral problem? And if it is, we can work with you to solve those behavioral concerns that you have.
When should I bring my cat in to see a vet to discuss behavior?
So if you're finding that your cat's behavior is not their normal, or if you've had them for a little while and the problem that you're having is not going away, that's when you're going to want to have a conversation with your veterinarian. And it really just depends on, again, the behavioral issue that you're having. So some of the more common ones that we'll see clients bring their cats in for abnormal behavior would be, of course, that litter box, right? Urinating outside the litter box or defecating outside the litter box. If it's happening, why is it happening? Is it medical or behavioral? Excessive vocalization, so just like we call it night yowling, sometimes is a problem for cats, and it's because they have a medical condition that we need to determine. Scratching or biting out at people, it really just depends, again, on the behavioral issue, and we can help solve those sometimes because it's either a medical or behavioral.
What are some treatment options?
So again, if it's a medical reason that your cat is having an abnormal behavior, we're going to run some tests. We're going to determine what is the diagnosis of that problem. For example, is it a UTI? Is there osteoarthritis? Is there a thyroid condition that your cat has developed and now has some abnormal behaviors? Those are going to be specific treatments. If we rule out all the medical reasons of abnormal behavior and we do realize that it is a behavioral problem, we actually have some fairly wonderful treatments available for cats, both in the form of supplements. We also do use some antidepressants and some of those medications that are used in people to help with behavioral issues. We can also work with you to alter the environment and make it more enriching to help reduce some of those behavioral issues that you're having. So ultimately, it's a great reason for you to bring in your cat to talk about its abnormal behavior and whether or not it's a medical or behavioral issue, and partnering with your veterinarian to solve that problem if we can. We would love to help you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us here at Blue Oasis Pet Hospital.